Hi there. This morning was fun. I actually went out and bought a new drone. I got this one really cheap on the Facebook Marketplace, and it's the Meteor75 Pro, not the 04. I have the 04 and I had some issues with it. I've flown it, I reviewed it. It's a great little quad. But this will be my first ever live preview of, first flight. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. So this is gonna be our first flight of this drone. I just entered my binding phrase into it. I don't know the rates. I haven't connected it anywhere, and we'll see how it goes. I have some experience with the Meteor 75 Pro 04, but it's heavier, and I was considering an analog solution for a 75 millimeter whoop for iGov and stuff, and I think this fits the bill perfectly. I know it for a bit already, and I actually wanted to do it. And this is the new 2025 Matrix version with all of the connectors, bells and whistles. And the guy said it was flown 2 times. Thank you, Marco Z. It's a great little quad for a great price for me. And yeah, let's see how this goes. So this is just a little pre-work rip. I got up quite early this morning, went to the gym, and after the gym, straight 40-kilometer ride to pick up this drone so I can get to work in time. Flight mode acro, timer 1 apps. Let's see if the Orqas have any more battery. If they don't, then I'm screwed and this review is useless or pointless. Sure the hell they do. Let's fly this little quad. We're just gonna do 1 battery so that I can get to work in time. But it should be fun. It's a bit windy out there, but nothing that the other Meteor, the heavier one, the Meteor75 Pro 04, didn't handle quite well. So let's turn it on, and roll camera. Let's see. Oh, we're here at the same spot. Let's sync. Let's do this. So, first flight with a completely new quad with the unknown rates. Signal looks fine, everything looks fine. Doesn't sound armed. Oh no, the switches are off.
Flight mode horizon, flight mode angle, flight mode acro, armed.
It's not armed. Oh, he has it completely different than I did.
Flight mode horizon, flight mode angle, flight
Let's
mode
do it.
acro.
Let's see what this little bugger can do. It's a bit windy. Okay, it handles actually fine. Probably some rates adjustment should be required, and also the button remapping. But regarding the flight characteristics, the rates are a bit slow for me. Oh, almost unflyable. I got used to the new rates now. And you see how iGov practice pays out. So I'm doing those split S's now, like it's nothing. I used to struggle with these a lot. Oh well, it's not punchy. Maybe I think it's the tune, because it should be lighter, and also it could be the props. I went for the HQ props on the other Meteor, and I got a really responsive and prompt drone that had no jello. And I think this also has some jello in it. Oh, but it's there, it's getting there. Yeah, and prop wash is a bit strong. Probably we're gonna benefit from changing the props on this one also. It's brand new. I got even the small BetaFPV 2 battery charger that I really like because it shows you in a very fast and quick and convenient way of how much battery you have left on 1S batteries. Otherwise, the only way to see it is to plug it into your drone or to plug it into a Whoop store or something like that. And that's shit. Yep, it has some prop wash and it has some vibrations. You're gonna have to tune it. Also, there's the wind issue. There's the battery here, 362. Okay, we're fine. I touched it. And the camera view is actually, the props in view are something that I'm not used to in this quad, but it flies good, man. Power loop. Have some visitors. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Oh, the prop wash is significant. Okay, let's try to do power loop here. Oh, got it. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some rates adjustment before starting to fly this harder. Oh God, will I know how to disarm it? Oh, it's here. Oh, nice little flight. How long was it? 3 minutes, 36 seconds. Didn't spend the full battery. It had more juice in it. But I have to run to work now, so yeah. You'll be seeing this one in my videos also. I hope a lot. Stay cool and bye-bye.